Also, what we're doing in exercise 8.3 is we're differentiating twice. Okay? So let me explain how to differentiate twice. And I'll do the two easy ones starting off. Y equals 4x cubed plus 6x squared. Differentiate. To say that you're differentiating, you write down the words dy dx. That means you differentiate once. Differentiation is the process where, see the power? We multiply the power by the number that comes in front, and we get 12. We then take 1 away from the power, and we're left with x squared. And the next one, Dylan, 2 times 6?
12x.
Just 12x, well done. Okay? Now, question, and then we're asked to differentiate a second time. d2y dx squared, anybody? We'll go with you again, Dylan. Differentiate 12x squared.
24x.
24x, and the next one?
Plus 12.
Plus 12, there we go, alright? So that's question 1. Now we're on to the likes of question 6. Ben, question 6, how do we do that? Second derivative. When you differentiate 4, any number turns to? 0. Minus 3x. If it's just x, the x always goes away, so it's minus 3, and then the last one? That's a minus 1 there, so 2 times minus 1?
2.
Minus 2 x. Differentiate once more, Cameron.
Minus 2.
Minus 3 turns to 0, and the minus 2x simply turns to minus 2. Now, how they make this a bit harder is the likes of question 10. So I've done 1 and 6, and I'm about to do 10. In question 10, what they're going to ask you instead is they're going to ask you to, the first question being, see how many dashes there is? How many dashes is there? 1. Differentiate once, and then replace x with minus 5. Because there's usually an x here, but there's a minus 5 there. What about the second derivative? Differentiate twice and replace x with minus 5. That's all you got to do. So, Jack, the first one, differentiate once, what you get? Differentiate 3. Differentiate minus 2x.
2.
Minus 2. Differentiate x cubed.
3x.
Okay, replace in.
5.
Minus 5 for x. And what you'll find is you'll get 73. Lee, do the second one. Differentiate a second time.
The one that you've just done?
Yeah, here.
Yeah. So 3, 2. So minus 2.
We're differentiating this.
Yeah.
So when you differentiate minus 2, it turns to a 0. Any number on its own will differentiate to 0.
Yeah.
Differentiate 3x squared.
You have 6.
Yeah. 6x. Replace x with
Minus 5.
minus 5. 6 times minus 5?
Minus 30.
Minus 30. Everybody get the gist? Okay. So that's